I haven't been down here for a year, but oh, I can't believe I missed this. Like, I'm glad I got the urge to document this because it's already broken. And this used to, well, it's still kind of uneven, but it's a freestanding stone that was, I don't know, is it still in the shape of Africa? Maybe. It got broken though. And all these megaliths over here, a tree fell on them. That's an interesting one there. But this is a good creek walk. It takes you up to the daycare by Spicewood Springs. This outcrop here is my favorite sunbathing spot. And you can cross the creek and walk up back to there. And all across here for I don't know how long is a rock wall that was quarried. And I should take a look at that sometime, but I'm gonna show you something else today. But yeah, this is a really nice part of Bull Creek where not many people come. On the 360, oh, someone else is hiking on the road like me. Do it, do it. Nobody's here. Well, this used to be something that they sheared off. Check this out though. Wow. Quite a quarry. Wow. It's like a stadium. Love it. Wow. Climb up there. Maybe I'll have time for one more hike. Once I get back down. Oh yeah. This sign is of an indigenous rock. Real nice. Real do-it-yourself spirit. Wow. Really big blocks. Wow. Amazing. If I ever had to be homeless, I'd consider right here. Although you're in view of the garage here. I'm not sure what that is. All these dang dong rocks. It's crazy how to get to the underground. Wow. Amazing. They're like, I think, a reinforcement of the ridge. Oh, there's rock. I mean, no pyramid is solid, you know? It's like a structure around tunnels and whatnot. Wow, no graffiti in here. They didn't even have to paint over it. Okay. What's happening? Entrance to the underground? I don't know. Maybe. Stork. hiking along the 360 loop. BP, Baxter Planning. Cool. Quit the air conditioner. Everybody's gone for the day. It's probably like 5 o'clock too. Should have went that other path. What's that? Lizard. Oh, look out. Fuck! Oh, that was a big spider web. Am I gonna run into it again? Clear. Wow. Neat. This was the path that started down there. Well, it goes up the... Oh, this is the other side of the creek. Shouldn't be on this side. Nope. Go back down to the street. There's probably some things I can show you. It's crazy how sharp that drop-off is. Quite a built-up landscape. The ruins of a rock wall? I'm not sure. Most of they're misplaced, but they seem to be kind of buried. I thought I saw more rocks, but I'm not sure. There's a lot of paths back here from the road, and like they're roped off, but it doesn't say no trespassing, and it just says no vehicles, so okay. Oh, here they are. Let's see. Can I get in there? Oh, wow. We already have some ripe elderberries. Wow. A burial? An effigy mound? An absolute mound, that's for sure. Pile of rubble. Well, that opened up. A lot of camping in here. See a lot of debris that's like near the woods and not the road, which is like kind of strange. greenbelts down there, the Bull Creek. Let's follow this. Probably just goes back up to the street. Well, yeah, obviously this has been cleared. Nobody's really hung out here for quite a while, decades. Wow, those little cans. Teeny. There's something crazy back here. Can I find it? Cactus blossom. Oh shoot. Maybe that was it. Pretty. There's a house back here. Okay. Is this what I saw? It looked the hell kind of spiders that you can't even see it, but it's freaking ginormous. It's like a straight up clothesline. You can't see it at all, but I ran into it anyway. Shit. Fuck. Damn, that shit's strong. Whoa, look at this. This one I saw, it looked like a cube, but it's nonetheless an old settler. Pioneer. Rebels. Crazy. Cool. Whoa. Crazy. Little ditch. That was drainage. Water tank? Maybe it like diverted water from the creek to up here. Oh look, a buckeye. Huh. This is where the gate is. Wonder who owns this. Yikes. Is this the top of a mound? Because it like drops off over here. Hazelstones. Wow, that's amazing. The old tree barely hanging on. Oh, dog. Oh, maybe it was that guy who was walking the dog. Wow. You can see the rocks reinforcing the edge. That goes down real steep. Real steep. Neat. Old pathway. But who knows? People used to live back here in a house, so it's crazy. Cool. There's the ye old general store for this resident. Wow. Very cool. Wow, that's a nice forest down there. Huh. Oh. Wonder what the access like that is from the creekside trail. Like, aside from being the spot where all the runoff would go. Would be an excellent summer camp. Oh, look at this path. Huh. A roped off area. Descending down from the pyramid. Mound or what have you. Oh wow, yeah. People were camping here, I would say. Yeah, sure, why not? Well, it is just real shady and nice. Let's see. It's trash on trash. Man, I do have my knife, and it's like crazy because I usually think that I am like aware of my surroundings, but if someone's gonna be a predator, they're gonna be a predator. Like in Arizona, some chick went out exercising, got took from behind, and then they found her dead. You know, I mean, I have my knife. I thought I ran into someone at that first place. What kind of tree is this? Pecan? Yeah. Wow, this path is so cool. I wonder what the map's gonna get, if anything. I'm like dripping sweat. Wow, if this was all Houston, this would be riddled with camps. I guarantee it. It's crazy. Nice little forest hike. So nice. No private property. And everything around here that's developed is leased, so you can't really enforce that. Street. Wow. Wow. Guess I'm going down to the regular greenbelt. Yep. I think this is the falls right by the Spicewood Springs. Turns into deep still water down there that's all scummed over.